Oh, you're still stuck? Oh man, hold up. You gotta be careful. Maybe if I washed you off a bit. Careful. Sorry the water's cold, but... Alright, if any more of your people come back to our house, I won't be able to set you free. Hold up, your legs are stuck together. Aw. Wait. It's rubbing dirt on itself so it can get the nature smell back on it and free itself a bit. I guess its leg is injured a bit. Don't worry, I'll stick with you for a while. I won't hurt you. Just make sure you can get out. Make sure you're able to move. Is your arm stuck? Here. Don't come back to that trap or I will hurt you. Alright, it's fine. It just looks tired. It can't move its limbs very well. But none of its limbs are stuck to each other. And... No, don't go back on the trap. No! Oh, are you hiding? You really have to respect the will of an animal. It thinks it's in danger still. So even though there's no way it could possibly escape me in its condition, it's still trying to will itself to hide. Or it's rolling around in the dirt, I can't tell. Look at all its feces right there. That's disgusting. There's a penny and the bait. My sister's probably gonna get mad if she finds out that I freed it. But luckily she doesn't watch my YouTube channel, haha. Did it lose a lot of fur? Or is that just wet? Here. Yeah. I want to pet it, but I can't. Because it's a filthy rodent. Is it trying to hide, or... Well, I'll help it hide, if it wants. There you go. Now you're all hidden. Wonder how well the camera's picking up my voice, considering the freaking freeway's over there and you can't even see it. That's the moan. Alright, well, it's pretty well hidden now. I'm gonna fold up the trap so I can take it back home. Thank goodness it's not like the snap traps my grandma uses to catch her rodents. I think it might be trying to go to sleep or something. I don't know what it's doing anymore. I didn't bring any food. Probably should have brought some food with me. I'm gonna run back home, try to get some food. I'm gonna leave this here so I remember the exact spot it's at, assuming it's gonna stay here. And if it's not still here when I get back, then that'll be fine, but I'm gonna leave some food for it. Hopefully it doesn't come back to the house. I watched a guide that says you're not supposed to let them go any closer than a mile away from your house, and I'm pretty far away from my house. Can't really tell where it's at from there, but yeah, I'm gonna go get some food and come right back. Back home, super dark. Stop using words. Never noticed how bad phone cameras are at picking up light. Ripped my shirt trying to climb a fence. Freaking fences. I am really tired. Alright, headed back to where I went to free the stupid mouse. And I got a meatball in my pocket so I can drop it off near the mouse so it has something to eat while it recovers. And then I'm gonna leave it there and hope it doesn't come back. But if any more of those come into the house, I'm not gonna be so merciful anymore, because Ashley's just gonna get mad at me if I keep freeing them. I just did some sick parkour, but you couldn't see it in this light, so I didn't record it. I hope it's still here so I didn't just waste all the time coming here. Nope. Wherever it went, it's gone. Hope, thank God it's not back in the trap. Well, great, now I just have a meatball in my pocket for no reason. Well, wherever it got away to, at least it's safe. I I can't believe it actually thought it was fooling me with that hiding spot. Guess I'll just drop off the meatball, see if it comes back for it. Well, that's the end of that trip. Hope it's all right.